Good morning. We'll start now fourth chapter, that is a structure, earth structure. Second and third chapter I'm leaving because it was a very typical chapter. It needs a more explanation. And first time you are going to learn about the latitude and the longitude. We will do that chapter in the class. We'll start the fourth chapter, structure of the earth, because it was a very easy chapter and I hope you will understand this chapter. So we are going to start the fourth chapter. That is a structure of the earth. You know, our earth and the solar system, it originates from the nebula, that is a hot gas, that is as parts of the hot gases and the dust particles. When our earth is formed, because of the very high speed of a rotation, the heavier materials settle down in the interior of the earth and the lighter material was floating on the earth's surface. You can understand this very easily if you take a glass of water and put some sugar cubes in the water. What happens at that time when you mix that and when you see the glass of water, very fine particles you will see on the surface of the water floating, and some sugar cubes are in the bottom of the glass. This is how our earth is also formed. The heavier material, because earth was moving very high, rotating on the very high speed, so the heavier metals settle down on the bottom of the glass and the lighter material lies on the surface of the water. Same happened with the earth's surface also. We can say that because of the many research we have done, the recent studies prove all these things. We can say that when the earthquake, when the volcanic eruption occurs, at that time we see very hot material releases from the inside of the lava. It tells about the temperature of the inside of the earth. The temperature is very high. This temperature decreases at the rate of 1 degree Celsius after every 32 minutes. As we move inside the earth, the temperature falls. The rate of a falls is 1 degree after every 32 meter. So you just imagine the interior of the temperature of the earth is interior. It is more than 4000 degrees Celsius. In this temperature, you know, nothing can be remains in the solid state because of this temperature. Everything in the inside is considered as in the semi-molten or the molten state. It is because of the radioactive elements which lies interior of the earth. Many minerals are there like thorium, uranium. This radioactive minerals lies in the interior of the earth, and because of this radioactive elements only, the temperature is very high of the interior of the earth. The second thing is the pressure. Because of this high temperature, the temperature is very high. The pressure of the inside of the earth is also very high. And because of this temperature and pressure, everything inside the earth is in the semi-molten state. The pressure with the pressure and temperature, the density of the earth is also very high. So we can say that the interior of all the heavier metals settle down in the interior of the earth. The lighter material makes another layer, and the lighter most which is floating on the glass of water, if you remember, on the upper side. So these are the three types of layers. Automatically the three types of layers are formed of the earth's surface: the middle, center and the upper layer. We will study about this material in the next class. Thank you.